Welcome. Are you interested in pursuing a career in cloud computing? Fantastic. Cloud engineers manage cloud infrastructure and services. In this video, we'll cover the basics you'll need to get started. As a cloud engineer, you'll be working with cloud platforms to manage and deploy applications. Here are the essential skills and knowledge areas you should focus on. Cloud platforms. Get an overview of major cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Alright, let's dive into cloud services. It's important to understand the differences between infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Cloud security. Learn the basics of securing cloud environments. Automation and orchestration. Use tools like Terraform and Ansible for automation. Certifications. Consider certifications like AWS Certified Solutions, Architect and Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator to validate your skills. By mastering these basics, you'll be well prepared to start a career in cloud computing. Keep learning and stay current with the latest cloud technologies to excel in this dynamic field.